Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming physical connections and power so nothing blocks the setup. Next, press Windows key plus P to bring up projection options. Choose Extend to start the process. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Display to access resolution and layout. You need this panel because it shows detected screens and lets you rearrange them logically. Make sure to identify which screen is which by clicking Identify, so the next steps place windows where you expect them. You now arrange the displays in the settings grid to match your desk layout, dragging monitors so the cursor flows naturally between them. Once arranged, set each monitor's scale and resolution so text and UI elements are readable. Pick the recommended resolution unless you need a specific size. Choose orientation if a monitor is portrait. Finally, pick which display is the main one for the taskbar and default app launches, because that affects where new windows open and where notifications appear. You finish by checking Advanced Display Settings to set the proper refresh rate and color profile for each monitor. This prevents tearing and color mismatch. If a monitor is flickering, not detected, or resolution options are missing, update your GPU drivers first. Driver updates often resolve compatibility issues. If problems persist, swap the cable or port to rule out hardware faults and reboot both the PC and monitor. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with a known good cable before assuming the monitor is faulty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.